Hi everyone, welcome back to Jobkar. I'm Shabana and today we will discuss about Accenture interview. So this will be an experience from a candidate who have commented the interview experience on my channel. So we will discuss the questions from there, and this will be a real interview experience. So if you gonna give your interview for this role, that is system and application services associate, then this will definitely help you, because real interview experiences are something else when you are preparing for the interview. Okay, so before moving further with the video, I would like to request you to subscribe to Jobker for more job updates and placement preparation related videos, as we are working really hard, and we upload videos on daily basis for job recruitment and placement preparation, and also about the companies. Everything you will get to know here. So if you are a job seeker or a student who is going to like who has the dream to make their career in IT industry or private industry, then you are at the good place. So please do like, share, and subscribe to Jobker, and also hit the bell icon so that whenever we upload any video, you will get the notification, and in this way you will never miss any update. So with that note, let's start today's video, guys. So this is the comment from the candidate who have given his interview. So he said that my interview experience, interview questions, and that is the interview for 19th of April 2022, and the slot was 4:30 p.m. Okay, so the first question he was asked is, tell me about yourself and background. Okay, so this tell me about yourself question is really common in each and every interview you are going to give. This question will be asked. Okay, so you have to prepare this question. I have already discussed like how to prepare this question in my previous videos. If you have not watched those videos till, then I will provide the link in the description box. You can watch those videos and take the experience like how to answer this question. Okay, and prepare your answer by yourself. Okay, now the next question is, tell me about your final year project and what technology you used. Okay, so here if you are working in any project in your final year, so you used some technology, and you use some framework on anything. Okay, so you have to tell them about your project and the technology you used, and you need to explain them all the project, they should get the understanding of your project also. Okay, now there are some students who do not have a project in their curriculum, like some non-technical graduations. So in that case, you can tell them that you did not have a project in your curriculum, so right now you don't have any project. Okay, so this will not affect your interview, because there are some graduations available till now that they do not have any project or anything else, so they understand that. Okay, now the next question the candidate was asked is, do you know Java programming language? So basically till now I was getting comments that they only ask non-technical questions. Okay, now this question was asked, so the candidate must be from from a technical background, because they don't ask technical question to non-technical graduates. And also if you have given a technical round, that is the optional round, then you need to understand, and you need to learn about the concepts you were asked in the technical assessment. Okay, so in technical assessment, whatever you were asked, you need to learn them for your interview, because they can ask you those questions only. Okay, now Java programming, this was a simple question that do you know Java language? So if you have idea about Java language, if you have learned Java language in your student life, then you can tell them that yes, you know. And if you don't know, then you can tell them that no, I don't know, because this is the role for non-technical graduates. So this is not compulsory to know any technical questions, okay, or know any programming language. Okay, so if you want like if you know Java programming language, then you can tell them and you can give them the answer that Java is a high level class based object oriented programming language that is designed to have few implementation dependencies as possible. Okay, now you can tell them that Java programming language is a general purpose, concurrent, strongly typed, class based, object oriented programming language, and it is normally compliant to the bytecode instruction set and binary format defined in the Java virtual machine specifications. Okay, you can also add on to your answer that Java can be used to build applications for a wide range of platforms, desktop and servers, mobile phones, tablet, Blu-ray players and television and web browsers all use Java, and developers can write Java based application for any of these platforms. Okay, so this is the answer you can give them. Now, there are some terms which you might not understand if you not from a technical background, and if you not learned Java or any language in your career or in your education. Then this is really okay, because when you work in a company, they will transform you according to their needs and their business requirements. So you will be getting training on each and everything, so you need not to worry about it. You just need to be focused and learn everything they are providing you. Okay, so there when you join any company, any multinational company, there are so many resources available through which you can start your learning and transform yourself to the better world. And if you want to like switch yourself to a technical role also, then there are so many possibilities and there are so many chances available. Okay, so this is all about Java programming language. Now they ask that what is data encapsulation. So data encapsulation is used in many programming language. So this is a simple question. They are asking that what is data encapsulation. So you can answer this that encapsulation is used to hide the values or state of a structured data object inside a class and preventing direct access to them by client in a way that could expose hidden implementation details or violate state variants maintained by method. Okay, and there are three types of data encapsulation, that are member variable encapsulation, function encapsulation and class encapsulation. Okay, so in member variable encapsulation in object oriented programming language, all data members should be cleared as private member of the class, and in function encapsulation used only for internal implementation of your API must always be declared private, and such as class encapsulation. Okay, so in this way you can answer this. Now there are also some terms which you don't understand if you have, if you are not from the technical background. So before going to the interview, you need to learn all these things, like small things like data encapsulation or object oriented programming language, how to define and like these things. Okay, now any course or certification do you have? So if you have any course or certification in any field, whether it is non-technical, it is technical or anything, and in this job, accountant or commerce student are also eligible. So if you have related to commerce any certification, then you can tell them also any certification. You just need to tell them that you have this certification. Okay, now when you tell them that you have this certification, then you can be asked any questions from related to that certification you are telling them. Okay, so whatever you have written in your resume or whatever you have and you gonna tell them, you just have the idea about every each and everything they can ask. Okay, because when you do a certification, there are so many questions should can make from that certification also. So it is good to have idea about everything. Okay, now why Accenture? Okay, so they are asking the question that why Accenture. So you can tell them that it is the fastest growing IT company in this competitive world, which has almost 90% of the Fortune 500 and its client, and it will be a good start for your career. Okay, so you can answer them like this, and if you want to know the details how to answer these questions, then you can check out my previous videos. I have told you like how to prepare this answer, so that will be helpful for you, so you can check those videos also. Okay, now any questions for me? So that next last question for this interview will be any interview, not for this interview only, will be any question for the interviewer. So I have covered this answer also in my previous videos, so if you have not watched that, then you should go and watch that now, because I have explained how to answer these questions and what are the questions you can ask to the interviewer at the end of your interview. Okay, so this is all, guys. These are the questions the candidate were asked, and it is important to discuss these questions with you, because if you are going to take your interview for this role, that is system and application services associate in Accenture, then this will definitely gonna help you, because the real interview experience takes a good place when you are going to take an interview. Okay, and I would also like to thank the candidates who are sharing their interview experiences with me, so that I can share those with all you guys. So yeah, thank you so much for your efforts, and thank you so much for sharing your experience. And yeah, then they said that HR team will connect you soon. So this is all about the interview, and it hardly took I guess 15 to 20 minutes. And if your interview took 15 to 20 minutes, then there is nothing about to worry, because generally interview took this time only. Okay, so just be calm and wait for your result. Okay, सो दिस वॉज द इंटरव्यू एक्सपीरियंस. अगर आपको वीडियो अच्छा लगा हो तो आपको वीडियो को लाइक करना है, शेयर करना है और जॉब कर को सब्सक्राइब करना है. एंड ऑल्सो अगर आपका इंटरव्यू आने वाले दिनों में है या आप इंटरव्यू दे चुके हैं, तो अपना एक्सपीरियंस आप हमारे साथ शेयर कर सकते हैं, एंड हम उसको सब लोगों के साथ शेयर करेंगे विद द आंसर. ओके, सो this is all, guys, for today's video. Please do like, share and subscribe, and I'll be coming back with more such kind of videos. Till then, take care and bye bye.